Hi, and welcome to Future Forward. In this video, I will be discussing what is my AI on Snapchat and how to use it. If you're an avid Snapchatter, you may have noticed a friendly chatbot named My AI in your chat conversations. My AI is an experimental, friendly chatbot that is currently available to Snapchatters. It's powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT technology with additional attributes and safety controls unique to Snapchat. My AI is designed to answer your burning trivia questions, offer advice on the perfect gift for your BFF's birthday, help plan a hiking trip for a long weekend, or suggest what to make for dinner. To use My AI, swipe right from the camera screen to open the chat screen and try it out. In a chat conversation, you can give My AI a nickname and tell it about your likes and dislikes. Just like real friends, the more you interact with My AI, the better it gets to know you and the more relevant its responses will be. It is important to note that My AI is an evolving feature, and its responses may include biased, incorrect, harmful, or misleading content. Therefore, it's always essential to independently check answers provided by My AI before relying on any advice, and you should not share confidential or sensitive information. Snapchatters can easily send feedback to the team by long pressing on any response from My AI to share what they'd like to see more or less of while they continue to train My AI. You can also delete past content with My AI chat by tapping your profile icon, then tapping Settings, scrolling down to Privacy Controls, tapping Clear Data, and then Clear My AI Data and confirming. So, there's a brief overview of My AI on Snapchat. It's an exciting feature that can make your Snapchat experience more personalized and engaging. Remember to use it responsibly and always be conscious when sharing sensitive information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe to Future Forward for more updates on tech and AI.